Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be integrating your GitHub, Maven and Docker using Jenkins. Let us look into it. These are all the steps which I'm going to follow as part of this demo. So basically, you will be having your source code in GitHub where I will be downloading your source code from Jenkins. And then I'll be compiling your source code using Maven and then run a Docker file to create a image. And finally, I'll be pushing that image to DockerHub. Let us look into the demo. This is my GitHub repository. On the top two, that is going to be my application folder, and there is a file called pom.xml. This file will be helpful to compile your code and create a war file, and the Docker file is going to create an image, and then we will be uploading that image to the DockerHub. Let us look into it. This is my Jenkins server. I need to have Docker and Maven. So just check this command. So make sure that your Docker is running here, and then check your Maven version. Okay, your Maven is installed under this path. So we need to give this path inside your Jenkins, manage Jenkins. Let me show you shortly. This is my Jenkins browser where I need to do few configuration for the Maven. So go to tools, the bottom, select add Maven. I don't want to get installed on its own, so I have to give, this can be any name. I'm giving Maven, and this is a path what I copied from the Unix server. So I'm just copying this and I gave there. Okay, apply, save. Now go back to your manage Jenkins, plugins, go to install plugin, available plugin, Docker, search for Docker. Okay. I'm going to pause this video for installation is completed. Plugin installation is completed for Docker. I'm going back to available plugin. Check for Maven. Okay. So Maven is already there, so no need to worry. So go back. Go back to manage Jenkins again. So go to cloud and add for a new cloud. Select Docker. Give us like Docker. It can be any name. Give next. Under the Docker host URI, since my Docker is installed and Jenkins is on the Unix server, for that you need to give this path. Let me check. So this path you need to give, and then you might need to create a credential. Go here, check for username and password. Will give like this is going to be your Docker username and password. I am someone else password. So basically, this is nothing but, so you can test your connection. Yeah, connection is successful. The password what I gave there, that is nothing but this username and password. The DockerHub username and password. So this, what are the credentials that I use? That is what I gave here. Give save. Okay. Now go back to manage Jenkins. So far we have done we have installed Maven in Jenkins Server, add Maven path in Jenkins is completed, and install Docker and Maven plugin is completed. Now I have added this Docker Cloud in Manage Jenkins. So now I have completed all these steps. Now we need to create a new job. Let me go and create it. Now you have completed all your steps. So okay, I did not give the cleanup step. It is not needed. It is optional because I don't want to load all the Docker images in my Jenkins server. That's why I wanted to clean up. Maybe I'll show you why we need to do this. Click new item. Let it like GitHub Jenkins Maven. Okay. Create a freestyle project. So select Git. So this is my Git path. I will be sharing all this step in my GitHub README document. You can refer that. Since my Git account is public, so no credential is needed. If it is a private repository, then I might need to give my username and password as a credential, or even I can use my token. So we don't have master, but that is going to be a main, and then you need to use Maven. No, top level Maven, and this is a Maven what I gave in that Manage Jenkins tool section. I need to do a package, and then with this Maven step is complete. Then I need to use Docker. So for the Docker, so since if you look at my GitHub account, my Docker file is going to be exactly in the source code. So no need to give any directory. So you can give it empty. That means it will go on. It does not. You need not to give a different path. So obviously, when you download your source code into Jenkins workspace, your Docker file is going to be on the parent folder. So go and select Docker here. This is nothing but it's coming from your cloud what I have created a few minutes back, and this one is going to be your. I just for the easy purpose I copied. I can quickly explain you. This is my DockerHub account, and this is a DockerDemo. Let me zoom it. So DockerDemo is going to be my repository, and tomcatapp is my version. It's going to be a tag name. So then you have to give a push a image to DockerHub. So here I can use my I am someone else and the password what I have created in the credentials section. Just give apply and save. I'm going to do a build now. So it is downloading from my GitHub account. Now it's doing the Maven compile. So the Maven compile is completed. Now it's doing the Docker. Okay, all complete. So you can verify whether if the Docker image is pushed, you can go back to your DockerHub and you can go and check. Yeah, it says that my Tomcat app, this image is pushed few seconds back. Okay, the why we need to clean up on the Jenkins server is that this is my Jenkins server. If I go and do Docker images, you see every time when I go and run, you'll be always having an image gets created, which I don't want that to happen. For that you need to do a cleanup. So let me copy this command. I'm going to do as an execute shell. Going back to Jenkins, configure, execute shell. Okay, when I do this, it will automatically clean up all my images in my Jenkins server, because usually images will be in big in size. I don't want to load my Jenkins server by adding more images to the server. So let me check. It failed. Okay, nothing to worry. Even though it says error in the Jenkins browser, but I could see that all the images got deleted. So I think that is a false error. For now, you can ignore it. I hope you understand on how to download your source code from GitHub and do your Maven compilation and then running your Docker file and pushing back to DockerHub by using Jenkins. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe it. Thank you.